All right, we're back. We're going to continue with our WordPress series. Today, we are going to walk you through how to navigate the WordPress admin dashboard. Show you how to log in, then explain all we have there within the dashboard. Now, you can either log into your WP admin dashboard through this very link. Once you click on the link, it takes you direct to the admin dashboard. Okay, you make use of this when you are logged in already. This is the dashboard, but then you won't actually log into your cPanel always. So this is method number one. Now let's go to method number two, which is what we always do. You see this very link here, you can copy it out, paste it somewhere. Anytime you need to log in, you just copy out this link, just copy this link where you pasted it before, click it on your web browser. Once you hit enter, the interface will open where you will supply your username and password. But let me explain what just happened here. This is just the name of your website. This is the name of my website, jobbucket.org. Now, because I installed in a folder, that's why you have this /WP lesson, then /WP admin. You have to put this hyphen in between. Okay. Since you did not install your WordPress in any folder, what you have here will be like this: the name of your website /WP admin. Okay, but I installed in a folder, so my own link will be different. So it will be this. So I'll just hit enter, allow it to load up. Now allow it to load up. Oh, it takes me straight again. So if yours doesn't take you straight up, you have to supply your login details. Let me log out. I need to show you. Let me log out. Come back here. Now it automatically logs me in. Okay, yeah, this is it. This is where it will get you. Okay, now remember the username or email that we created when we wanted to install the WordPress. Just get your username or your email, put it here, then put your password. Remember, I asked you to copy out the password and save it somewhere. So I'll click on remember me. I need it to remember my password always. Okay, but this is not the password. Let me get a password that I used. The password is this. This is the password. Okay, even the admin, it is giving me the admin details of one of the website that I already installed. So let me use this. All right, come back here, and I will now click on remember me. I want it to remember me anytime I want to log in. So I'll click on login. So let's wait. Boom, this is it. So this is WordPress dashboard. All right, now we have this auto customizer, AI to help you build your website, but we're going to do everything straight up. And remember, if you created this website, if after installing your WordPress and you clicked here and you have a pop-up that walks you through how to install WordPress, you can either skip it or you follow up the process. That is the same thing happening here. This AI that popped up here might actually pop up here once you click this after installing your WordPress. So we are going to do everything by ourselves. I'm going to dismiss this. I don't need it. Okay, I need to dismiss all of this. Dismiss. Okay, edit homepage, dismiss. Edit logo. Okay, you can actually follow this up and do the whole lot, do everything that it is asking you to do. So let me tell you what we have here. So this is your website. Once you click here, what happens? It brings you back to the home page. All right, inside your WordPress dashboard. Now here, this is dashboard. Once you hover over this very dashboard, it gives you this home. Let's show you what home does. Okay, home brings you to the original home page of WordPress dashboard. Then updates, this is if you have some kind of updates. Maybe your plugin has expired, your theme has expired, or not really expired. Maybe you have there is a current version, like an update that you need to update your theme, your plugin. This is where you see the updates, the information. All right, this is where it pops up. Now this is post. If you want to make a post, this is where you click to make a post. We'll get to that place. So this media is where all of your media files is stored, are stored, or yeah, you understand what I mean? So this media, once I click on this library, you see a list of media, maybe video, pictures, audio, they are all saved here. But since we've not uploaded anything, that is why it is empty. If we want to upload, click on this add media or add media here, then we'll upload anything we want to upload here. So pages. Now, when you click on pages, this is where you create your pages. This sample page and privacy page, these are the things you see here. When you come to this website, let me copy it from here. Just click. I don't have the strength to start typing. Okay. What you're seeing here, this hello world, WP admin, this is a page, sample page. This is sample page, okay? Yeah. So this page you're seeing here, sample page, this is it here. Okay, the privacy page is not published, I guess. Yeah. Okay, you can trash it and you can delete any of these things here. So that's that for that. This is where you create pages. Any kind of page, maybe you need 5 pages, 2, 3 pages to appear on your website. This is where you create the pages. You name them, you create them, then you can now edit them with Elementor or WP Bakery or um any of the of the editor that you need to use. So here comments, when someone comments on your website, maybe you posted something and someone comments, this is where you see the comments. Okay, you come here, you approve the comments, you delete them, you do all sort of things. So all comments, you just see them all here. You can either, now these are actions. You can approve, unapprove, mark as spam, move to trash, delete. So appearance, this is where we choose our theme. Okay, here you see a number of themes available on this website already. Okay, here now if I need some kind of theme, maybe I can upload a theme here. Okay, I can upload here, or I can actually search for a theme here. This is the ones you've installed. All right, that's that for theme. Now let's go ahead and click on add theme. Once you click on add theme, here you can actually see a host of other themes that you can choose. Okay, and remember, theme just basically gives your website a structure. Okay, a theme determines how your site structure is going to be. Okay, we'll get to that when we want to install themes. We'll do it practically, then you see what I mean. So these are themes. There are themes for everything, for blog, for charity, for hotel management, for online store, just basically anything. And we have paid and free themes. Okay, now plugins, this is where you get to install your plugins. Okay, already these are installed plugins. Yeah, I can actually uninstall some. So if you need a new plugin, you can simply click on add plugin here. Now it gives you a list of plugins. Okay, a list of plugins. Okay, now these ones, let me see. uh let's say, which one are we going to search for? With add plugins, Yeah, we've already done that. Now you can search for any plugin you want here. Let's say this. Yeah, we just search for Elementor. This is it, Elementor website builder. You can install it. Any plugin you want, you see it here. Then this is user. So here you can create users and um give them permission to do a certain thing on your website. So this is that very user we created, admin. That admin we created, this is it. You can actually um, add user here. Okay, add user. You create a user, you know, the username, email, first name, password, everything. Then you give the user a role also. Here you can, the person could be just a subscriber, contributor, author, editor, administrator. So whatever you want, just fill out this form and the user becomes whatever it is. All right. Now here are tools. Okay, let's cancel tools. So maybe when you need to import something, export or check your site health and all of that. Then here settings actually. So here we are going to, if you need to set up your website, like let's say general setup, um, changes, leave the changes, don't save the changes. So here we can, let's just make some setup. Remember, this is the website title and the tagline. You can actually change it from here. Then site icon, you can change it from here too, or you can leave it up and do it later. There are ways to do it also. All right. I'm going to change the appearance of okay, the date. The date is okay. Time format is okay. Yeah, okay. Think everything here. Yeah, okay. Just let's go to writing. All right. Writing mail server. Yeah, this is okay. Now, when you publish a new post, WordPress automatically notifies the following site update service. Okay, that's good. Now, reading, just basically anything you want to change, you can do it here. Okay, this is your latest post. Your home displays your latest post. You can actually change it here. Anytime you post something new, it comes to your home page. If you want to use a static page as a home page, you can actually do that from here too, or we can do it later. Okay, we can do it later other ways, not really here. So discussion, media, palm link. Let's look at these palm links. I think this is what I've been looking for. So here, this shows you how your web link, this link up here, how it appears when someone wants to visit your website. So here, this is plain, name of your website, then this is an extension. Or do you want it to have both day and name? Now this is the name of the website. This is date, month and name. Do you want it to have this month and the name or numeric, or just post name? So I prefer using post name, and by default it is set to post name. Okay, so the name of your website, then any post you make or any page you make comes after. Let's say you made a post about politics, and the name is Politics in Africa. So it will be your website name, then Politics in Africa. So I think we're all set here. All right. So these other things, you can just go through them. So this is where we'll stop, and in the next episode, we are going to go straight up and show you how to create your post, how to do some other stuff. Yeah.